Hello, I'm Jess. Welcome to my art channel. This is the second year I've partaken in Inktober, which is really exciting. I'm still a student, so it's difficult for me to find time to complete all 31 drawings. So the goal I set for myself is 15. And then I also set like a few rules or boundaries. So this year, I can spend a maximum of an hour and a half on a sketch, just so it doesn't I'm not here drawing all day. And then I can only use black ink. And my theme for this year is people. So I filmed some time lapses of all the sketches, and I hope you like the video. You can definitely tell that later in October I got a lot busier because my drawing time got a lot shorter. But I mean, that happens. I didn't like a lot of the drawings like later on in October, but Inktober is all about learning and practicing, so it was all beneficial. I'm really looking forward to next year. I will be graduated university, so I might attempt a whole 31 days, which would be super cool. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!